mother of four. Yung journey ko sa arts, actually, nag-start since childhood Kasi, parang family, parang talent. Puro artist kami. So, self-taught. Tapos, yun nga, naging busy ako sa iba-ibang, kasi nurse ako, SMUA, tapos nagpa-pageant din, may beauty pageant, nag-rank modeling din, nag-print ad. Tapos, later on, sinama ko yung husband ko sa construction business. So, tagal ko na nabakante. Tapos, this year lang, 2 months ago, akala ko nag-show kasi parang nabuhay ulit siya. So, yan, talagang minadali ko in 2 months kailangan meron ako may press. Yeah.
Bilis.
Dire-diretso na yan.
Grabe. Ilang kayo gumawa ng ganung painting mo,
Nagluluto pa ako, Nag-iis pa ako ng bahay.
Sabi nga, sinumbong ka ng anak mo kanina. Sabi niya, ay, istorbo ng mama ko. Hindi naman sa ganung ibang artist na. Hindi tayo istorbo kapag Kaya gampanan pa yung mother.
Oo. Habang nagpe-paint, nanonood pa ako Netflix.
Multitasking na
Pero at least na-tax natin.
Congratulations.
For that.
Galing. And again, it's ang recognition po ninyo is napakaganda po kasi ng inyong contribution sa and it gives inspiration to mga artists po kasi.
Yes.
Congratulations po. At salamat sa inyong contribution. Hi, Deirdre. Good afternoon. Your mom is a very good artist and this really inspired us. Please show the art. Di ba ang maganda ng art ng mom nila? So, Deirdre, how can you define your mom or paano ma-describe yung mama mo while she working her art? Pwede ba siya istorbohin? Yung tipong ayaw din kung istorbo?
Pwede mo po siyang story after. Hindi po siya yung tipong yung ibang artist na parang may kaparoon sila yung sarili nilang mundo. Tapos sila may ginagawa nila. Ano po siya parang kumbaga, for example, konting strokes lang. Tapos okay na, pag fulfilled na siya, take a break. And then, bakulit sa ganung process and then take a ganun.
Ang galing ng mama mo. She's so balanced, no? In her arts and in her life.
Okay.
And how about you? Your mom is very talented. We absolutely know that you're also talented. So, you're inclined in?
Yes, sir. Talented. Sabi niyo po. I'm also inclined in. Actually, I do mga ganito rin po. Pero I don't dwell much in painting kasi wala po akong nakukuhang dito. Kumbaga kung magluluto po kayo sa photo. Pero pag sa painting, hindi ko siya ganun. Pero pagdating sa sketches na graphic ko.
Ang galing. So, naman ako pa rin po na yun, di ba?
Buong family.
Ang galing. Let's get it. So, what is your forte sa
arts?
Sa art po?
Music po.
Music.
Gitara po. Tapos poetry. Tsaka po essay writing.
It runs in the blood.
Ako lang po ata yun pagdating sa linguistics part.
Thank you so much for your Jeffrey. Ano mo masasabi mo as inspiration to mo younger boss? Because you're young and talented.
My advice?
Inspirational word.
There's a word na nourishment. I think it shouldn't be like taken for granted. You should know what nourishment is. If you know yung pinaka flavor ng word na nourishment. Eventually, hindi mo siya isipin lang nourishment from what? Sa talent, sa skills. Pwede rin siya yung sa the way you think. So, metacognition mo, gano'n. Or yung sa talents mo rin, gano'n. And as well as yung, for example, nourishment mo sa curiosity mo with everything that is around you. Gano'n. And eventually, nagre-result sa art. Nagre-result sa poetry, nagre-result sa trabaho. Yan, gano'n.
It really shows that your mommy really raised you well. And congratulations to the both of you. Thank you so much. And yun lang. Thank you.
Sige po.